Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with duplicate accounts or messy financial data in QuickBooks Online, today's video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. I'm going to walk you through the complete guide on how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online step by step. This process helps you clean up your books, consolidate information, and make reporting much smoother. Let's jump right in. First, why merge accounts? Sometimes you might accidentally create duplicate accounts, maybe two checking accounts with slightly different names. Merging combines their data into one account, keeping your records organized and accurate. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your browser, go to the QuickBooks website and click Sign In. Enter your email and password and you'll be taken right into your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click the gear icons. That's your settings menu. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your business accounts, assets, expenses, income, and more are listed. Now, locate the accounts you want to merge. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar. Make sure you're absolutely certain about which accounts should be merged, because once merged, you can't undo it. Next, edit one of the accounts to make it identical to the other. Click the small drop-down arrow beside the account and select Edit. Then, change the account name so it exactly matches the name of the target account, including capitalization, spacing, and punctuation. QuickBooks will only merge them if the names are an exact match. When you're done, click Save. A message will pop up asking if you want to merge the accounts. Simply select Yes, Merge Accounts. And just like that, QuickBooks will combine both accounts into one, keeping all your transactions neatly in place. And that's it. You've successfully merged accounts in QuickBooks Online, a small step that can make a big difference in keeping your books clean and professional. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.